May isang plano. Happy birthday. Sana.
Sana ka. Ayan. Sana ka, lapit ka dun kay mami. Ayan, lapit ka dun kay mami. Diba naman ate, ano sabihin mo?
Happy birthday, Santiago.
And,
Thank you for inviting me.
ayun, thank you for inviting me. Ito naman, salit-salit lang tayo. Ito, kuya, ano sabihin mo kay Santiago?
Happy birthday, Tiago.
And,
Thank you for the good dad.
and,
Happy birthday.
happy birthday. Ayan, thank you Santiago. Happy birthday. Ito naman natin sabihin mo?
Happy birthday, Tiago.
And,
Thank you.
and, ayun lang naloban pa si ate. Lapit ka na doon. Ito kuya, ano sabihin mo?
Happy birthday, Tiago.
And,
Hope you have more birthdays to come.
ayun, have a wonderful wishes lagi ko. Ayan, lapit ka na doon kay mami. Ayan, doon ka na. Ikaw ano yung sabihin mo?
Happy birthday, Tiago.
Shago, sino yun? Sa kabilang birthday yun. Happy birthday, Shago. Ayan, sige, lapit ka na kay mami. Ayan, kahit sa kabilang birthday ka na puntahan. Ikaw,
Happy birthday, Tiago.
Shago ba talaga? Ah, Shago. Ayan, and,
Happy birthday.
ulit mo lang eh. Ulit mo tanda mo. Ikaw, sabihin mo.
Happy birthday, Tiago.
And,
Thank you.
and,
For birthday to come.
naloban ka na. Ayan, church mo na lang kay mami. Ikaw,
Thank you for making this wonderful party.
and,
Happy birthday.
alright, thank you. In English, subukuin mo doon na. Ikaw, sabihin mo.
Happy birthday, Tiago. And may wish you have a great life.
Habang break lang, ayan, have a wonderful wishes dahil kay ate. Ikaw,
Happy birthday, Tiago. Thank you. Thank you for inviting me. Thank you.
ang daming thank you nila. Thank you for ang daming thank you. Ikaw,
Happy birthday, Tiago.
and,
I hope you do good in your future.
ayun, for your future. Thank you. Ito naman siguro, tapos na ito ba? Ito naman kuya.
Happy birthday, Tiago. Hope you become a priest.
Ayun, gusto ko na maging pari ka talaga. Ikaw,
Happy birthday, Santiago. I hope you achieve your dream of being a priest.
ayun, dahil sila gusto ko na maging pari sa akin ng mabupuhan. Ikaw,
Happy birthday, Santiago.
pare ba ta? Ayan, lapit ka na kay mami doon. And then, magkatapos na wala mo lang uuwi ha, kasi magpipicture taking muna tayo. Ikaw ate,
Happy birthday, Tiago.
and, tinawanan mo ba ako? Ikaw,
Happy birthday, Tiago. I hope you